Updating your legal name on Kajabi is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is changed quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your Kajabi account. Access your Kajabi account by entering your credentials on the login page. Make sure you are using the correct account associated with the name you wish to update. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option in the dashboard menu. This section contains all the personal information related to your account. Step 3. Find a name change option. In account settings, look for the section labeled Personal Information or Profile. Here, you should see an option to edit your name. Step 4. Enter your new legal name. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new name, scroll down and click the Save Changes button. This will update your account with your new legal name. Once you have completed these steps, your legal name will be updated on Kajabi. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Kajabi support for assistance.